fucking shit given. Alright, what up boys? Mother Bro here, bringing y'all another video. As you can see, I don't sound like a fucking sick puppy no more. So, that's always good news. But, yeah, we're just gonna bring you another fucking adventure. It's getting a little late out. That's my homie over there. Look at him, he's fucking just smoking a cig. He said, fuck with it. But, yeah, just bringing y'all a little video. Nothing big, just fucking nothing too big, you know, just a little video. Just a little video. Just fucking wheeling for y'all niggas. Straight up, bro. Straight up, no fucks given. No fucking shit given. There we go, now I can see better. Fucking helmet was a little fucking little fucked up when you go. Alright, I feel like riding on the fucking sidewalk. Oh fuck, I got soaked. Goddamn water and shit. Fuck with it, man. Last time I was here, some nigga was yelling at me. And I said, fuck with it. Let's see if he's here. I can fuck with it. Fucking shoe is so wet. I wonder if he's outside. Fuck man, that wheelie sucked. Yeah, if that guy comes, I'm gonna fuck his ass up. He's right here. That nigga don't got shit on me, boys. That nigga ain't got shit. Hell yeah. Tighten my chain a little. It's probably a little too tight, but fuck with it. I don't get no fucking shit, bro. My chain can be as tight as I fucking want it, bro. I'm gonna fuck this ass up. See if I can make it over this bitch. Let me karate kick this bitch. Yeah. Let's fucking go. Oh. No fucking problem. First fucking good. Hell yeah. Fuck with it. I'll open my fucking mask up a little so I can see a little better. That's why I practice my wheelies. It's like I love doing third gear wheelies. Third gear wheelies are the fucking shit. They're hard to get back, like pull up all the way. But it's whatever. You just gotta fucking pop that bit. Fuck with it. I love fucking riding golf courses. It's so much fucking fun, dude. Like that ass. You can run away from niggas so easy. Like this fucking sand is. This one wasn't that slippery. Usually that fucking shit is like fucking sliding around and shit. Alright, let's pull this wheelie. Alright, I just fucking did a burnout. Look at this fucking jump. Look at that shit. That shit's fucking. Shit's fucking huge, bro. I'm so gonna hit this shit. Just gonna make sure I land clear. Just gotta land clear from everything. And we'll be Gucci. Let's go, boys! Hell yeah. Niggas don't fuck with me. Don't fuck with me, you know what I do? If you fucking fuck with me, I'm fucking sliding your ass. Oh, fucking shit. They fucking lock my ass up. Luckily I can always get out. See, niggas can't even fucking interfere. Look at this shit, I'm gonna fucking do it. Ah! Fuck with it, brother. Riding golf courses. Fucking funnest thing in the world. That was a fucking fast ass wheelie, bruh. Straight up fast as fuck. Just enter the pathway. While niggas look at me and they're probably calling me Popo. Oh, there's a flag, dude. What a fucking sucker. I'm gonna fuck his ass up. Watch this shit. The flag dude's coming. Oh, he's not even fucking... I don't understand, like nigga. They don't even try me no more. They're just like, yeah, Lars. Well, they don't know my fucking name, but they're like, like, ah, fuck, I can't catch this nigga. It's on a fucking pit bike class dirt bike, man. And we can hit a fucking burnout right here. Never mind. I lied. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. My ass almost got fucked up. Dude, did you guys fucking see that shit? I just fucked this shit out on my fucking lever. Holy fucking shit. I just bent the fuck out of my bike. Fuck, man. God damn it. I bent the fuck out of my bars, my clutch. Everything, dude. Fuck, I gotta ride home like this, dude. My fucking shifter is like dead. I just need to get out of it. I need to get to a safe zone. My ass need to get to a fucking safe zone. So I just fell on a fucking wheelie. God damn it, dude. Look at my fucking look at my fucking lever, bro. This shit's fucked up. Straight up. Alright, I guess I need to order a new lever fucking tonight and a fucking dingling. I mean, I can still ride like this. But it's a little fucking sketchy. I ain't really about it. If y'all feel me. Should've fucking hold on. Well, this week's for a fucking interesting video. Since I ate shit. And my fucking bars are fucked up. And everything else. And my fucking shit's fucked up. At least my brake is fucking good. Yeehaw! Still gonna enjoy this shit as much as I can. I got some work to do when I get home. Should've seen me hauling ass video. Like my bars literally feel like I'm like this. Fucking shitty. That fucking sucks. The fucking lever is like all the way inside. It's pretty fucking shitty. Look at my fucking bike is fucking fucked up. I just fucking pulled that wheelie and I was like, yeah, I got this over there. I kept going back and back. Dude, these bars are fucking dented, dude. Man, holy shit. That's fucking crazy. I didn't see I'm in fucking like shock. So it's pretty fucking awesome. Holy fucking shit, dude. Alright, well, this bitch is like fucking snapped off. Oh my fucking god, did you guys just see that? As you can see, my fucking thing-along, this shit did not, it's supposed to fucking bend in. That shit just bent all the way. What else is fucked up? As you can see with my fucking bars, one of them bitches is fucking crooked as fuck. And my lever's fucking bent up. Goddamn. See me smart how fixed. Everything else is pretty fucking good. This side's good. Luckily. Alright, well, that ends this fucking pit bike adventure. I'll probably in a few days I'll have the part, so enjoy!